Cost to build a house in Jamaica 2022. Design ideas, real estate.
Real estate investing. The cost to build a house in Jamaica 2022. Design idea real estate. So this is a split level house, 3 levels. So you know it's a hillside. And the cost for this house as it is right about now is about 50 million Jamaican dollars. That's a lot, but this is a very huge house. I could say this is a mansion. This house consists of about 12 bedroom, 9 bathroom, 3 kitchen. You can see it have balcony around, front and back porch, and a couple parking garage. This is huge. Yes, it is. So where does feature in this house? What you think? Does this house value what I said? Do you like the design of this house? Would you build a house like this? Well, these are questions I am asking. People may see this house worth it, some people may not. This building is property in Jamaica. I'm just giving an overhead view, bird's-eye view of this house. If you think this video is educational or interested, please do remember to leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. 50 million Jamaican dollars. This house is incomplete, haven't finished as yet. What do you think? Is this house, I could say, a mansion? I'd like to hear your views. So I'm just giving a view of this split level house. So as you see at the front, it is like 2 levels, and at the back is like 3. So based on the shape of the land, that is why this house. So the back of the house, which is the back and which is the front, we're not even sure of that. Guys, the back look good, the front look good. So as you can see around, it's a good look. I'm just giving some insight on this house. The first level of this house, estimate cost will be about 17 million. You can remember that's the foundation, the digging of the foundation, and this is a hillside, so you have to make sure the foundation is properly done. So what you think? Is this house beautiful? I think this is a mansion. I could say this is a mansion. That's my opinion. What's your opinion? Tell me what you think. Do you love this house? Would you build a house like this? I'm just sharing this information and would like to get some feedback on this house. So leave a comment, press the like button. If you dislike it, press the dislike button. I doubt you would dislike this house, but It's a good design. If you like this design, make your copy of this house. Look on the top. This house is very unique and nice. I don't even have much to say about this house, but all I know, it takes time and money to bring this house to this level. And look, great view, nice house, beautiful design. That's my opinion. What's yours? If this is the first time here, do remember to subscribe. Press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Leave a like, leave a comment. Share this video with friends and family. $50 million Jamaican dollar, that's a lot of money. And at the same time, for some Jamaican, it's not a lot. Because it all depends on your income, ability. People can do things more than people. But I'm just featuring this house. I'm not here to compare who have money and who don't. So just sit back and relax and watch the video and tell me what you think. And do remember to check out my next videos with information about building construction. And below my videos, I normally leave information with material list, PDF form, contact information, all these things. So always remember to check below the video for more information. I'll check above with link to see additional video. I'll get more information. So check the channel out. It's hot, it's blazing. Thank you all for watching this video. If you're watching until now, that means you're interested. Tell me what I could do to make this video better. I'm just sharing some information and insights. What is the cost to build a house in Jamaica 2022? Design idea, real estate, build a house in Jamaica, construction Jamaican, property in Jamaica, real estate investors.